Good afternoon, everyone. It is Crafty Mama here for an unboxing, and you can see from the side what it's going to be. This is a Diamond Art Club. It is Spider-Man, and its actual title is Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. And and you can see the labeling of Marvel, so it is a licensed work. And I got this one because my son is obsessed with Spider-Man. So let's dig into it and see what there is. Hope you all are having a great Thursday so far. It has been kind of rainy and looks like some storms are getting ready to hit again here in Central Florida, but you know, hurricane season started today, so I guess that's just what we're going to have to learn to deal with. So, but I hope you all are staying safe, taking care of your mental health, and all of that good stuff. So this one is a round. Again, it is by Diamond Art Club. It is a licensed Marvel work called Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. And it is a 20-inch by 26-inch, which is 50.7 by 65.8 centimeter. It is a round, and you can always tell with Diamond Art Club if it's a round because it does a round or it does a square if it squares. So they make it pretty easy to figure out on their box what it is. And right up at the top is a sticker that you can put in your logbook, or I've seen some people put them like on the side of their box so that if you store them in the box until you're ready to do them or whatever, you've got them. So let's see what's all in here. And sorry, my throat's a little scratchy today. I did work my regular job today and was on the phones for a couple hours, and the throat's just been really scratchy with it. Okay, so that's everything in it. Here is your toolkit from Diamond Art Club. You can get into it and see what we've got in here today. At least I think I'm going to get into it. I'm having one of those days where packages just do not want to open for me. It is a resealable, but you gotta get low enough to get that resealable spot open. And I am making a mess here today. Okay, so let's see what we've got going on here today. We have got your pen and squishy, so a blue pen and a blue squishy with it. Looks like a 4 and a 6 multi-placer with it. And look at this rose, cover minder, which is just absolutely beautiful. And these are great for when you pull back your plastic. You can put this on the top side, this on the bottom side, click it, and so that way as you're moving around, the plastic doesn't keep flipping over on you. Some baggies, a caddy with 2 things of pink wax in it, and just remember with your wax that you got to pull the little plastic, and it's got plastic on both sides to be able to use it to fill your pen. A tray that actually has a stopper on it, so it's great as you move things around. Your diamonds aren't going to be coming out the end until you're ready for it. A thing of baggies. And let's look at this washi tape. This has got like red flowers and black butterflies, so it's got the colors of Spider-Man in it, but it's kind of girly, but still a really pretty washi tape. Okay, now let's get into the nuts and bolts of this here. Give me just a second. And your thank you with instructions, and sometimes there's a coupon code in here that you can use. Your legend with your stickers that you can use to put on your kit. And here's another sticker that you can put stop and start dates so that you can kind of judge how long it takes you to do something and all the dimensions of it. So those are great. And oh, this is just beautiful. My son is going to love this, and get it so that you guys can kind of see it. Here it is. Turn it sideways so that maybe we can get it all in on the camera. But look at that. Hope you guys don't need to see me today. I'm feeling kind of nasty, so you guys don't need to see me, but look at how clear that drill field is. That is beautiful. And again, again with Diamond Art Club, they have your legend on the lower right hand side and the upper left hand side so that you can see it. This has 49 colors and 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 4 ABs. And for those of you that don't know what ABs are, those are Aurora Borealis. Is an iridescent coating on top of your color that shines just a little bit brighter, and then when you put it down, it makes the other diamonds around it or drills around it shine even a little bit more. And then at the bottom, Diamond Art Club always has the information about it. So that it's a marvel. Here's a picture of what it's going to be, your sizing, Diamond Art Club, the name of it, and then their information about their social media outlets and stuff. In that if you don't sell it or give it away, it does have a limited warranty with them. So this one is going to be beautiful to go. And it looks like the ABs, there's some, the white dot, so like his web shooting is there. Some 1s and 2s, so let's see. In here around his face, and the mask is going to be some. And then like up here is going to be some too. So this is going to be a fun one. Let's go through the drills real fast so you can get an idea. And sorry for the noise as I get into this. And this one is labeled with exactly what it is, so if you keep them, store them separate until you work on them, no problem. That one's easily labeled for you. And just going to, and they do DMC colors, so if you keep them, that's nice and easy to track. And for Diamond Art Club, anything that is on 150 and below is going to be an AB according to their system, but all the other numbers are going to be your DMC colors. $9.39, 2 bags of those. $8.14, $4.98. And here's an AB, and you can kind of see that the iridescent coating on it, so that's going to make everything shine just a little bit brighter. $5.17, $9.92, $37.16, 61. Sorry, I'm reading them upside down. Here's your other AB. It's a $120, $37.66, $8.07, $5.97, $7.96, $8.20, $38.45, $33.71, $9.66. Reading 9s and 6s upside down is a little difficult. $7.97, $9.93, $38.14. Then we got $3.21, $7.47, $37.46, $37.06, $37.08, $37.05, $38.09, $5.98, $38.01, $38.47 is this beautiful green here, $7.98, $5.51, and I love the purples. I'm just a purple girl. $8.26, $9.63, $6.08, 1111, so, or I'm sorry, 111, that's another AB, a reddish purpley AB. 3855, 3747, 798, 550, and one last strand, 803, 336, 3824, 144. Here's the 141. That's the AB. That's going to be where the webs are. 2 bags of 310, which is your black. Got 2 bags of 3823, 3765, 3810, 369, and 823. So those are going to be absolutely beautiful to work with. And again, this was your friendly neighborhood spider, or Spider-Man, with him jumping through the city. And can't quite get it all on, but there you go. There's a majority of it, and then you can got some of the buildings there. And this was, again, was a Diamond Art Club one. I did order it directly from Diamond Art Club because it was one I really wanted, and I didn't want to take my chances of waiting until it came out to a store, or, you know, go on sale. But I did have a coupon, buy one get the second one 50% off, so I will show you the other one in another video that I got with that. Again, if you want to be part of the Crafting Mama family, hit the subscribe button. Any comments, questions, concerns, put them in the comments below. And if you want to be notified anytime I have a video that comes up, hit the notification bell and it will alert you. Again, just do something for you today. You deserve it. Take care of your mental health so that you can take care of others. And so whatever makes you happy, if it's diamond painting, crochet, baking, whatever, just take a little time to do that for yourself. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, everyone.